This is an unboxing for a 2018 MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. This MacBook Pro comes with 15.4-inch LED backlit display, 2.26 core Intel iCore 7, 16 gigabytes of 2400 DDR SD RAM, 256 gigabyte solid state drive, an Intel Ultra HD Graphics 630 card, 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, has a backlit keyboard with ambient light sensors, and it comes standard with the FaceTime HD 720p camera. Let's get this box open. As you guys see inside the box, it comes wrapped. Inside the box, it comes with the USB-C. Comes with the USB-C charging cable, along with an instruction booklet inside of this package. Comes standard with the instruction booklet and Apple stickers. Also comes with the standard Apple 87 watt USB-C power adapter. Taking this wrapper off. This is the space gray color. As you can see, it has the Apple logo on the back. However, this is not backlit like previous versions of it. This is your standard 15-inch screen. And as we open it and we take the wrapping off, it automatically turns on. A new feature in this is the Hey Siri feature, and this touch bar here. So let's start by getting this turned down a little bit, and I'll set this up and I'll come right back to you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and set it up, and as you can see, it has this nice new display, 15.5-inch screen. It has a touch bar here where you can raise the volume, lower the volume. You can raise and lower the brightness. As a slider bar, or you could just bring it up here and do it like it used to do it and just tap the button. It also has this new keyboard. It's very, very silent. You can really barely hear it. I mean, if you're typing, you'll hear it, but it's not as loud as it once used to be on the older versions. And that is it. And if you guys liked the video, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and come back and watch more videos here. Thanks for watching.